Ok, hola, ¿qué tal? Buenas tardes, buenos días, buenas noches, depende de cuándo estén viendo este video. Sí, señor.
Sí, señor.
Pues este es un intento de hacer dinero. Estoy aquí con mi amiga Selcan. Ella es de Turquía.
Hola.
Y el día de hoy vamos a grabar un videito reaccionando a algunos dulces mexicanos. So she doesn't have idea about traditional candies, traditional snacks from Mexico. So we're gonna try it. Aquí en Canadá es complicado conseguir lo que es el dulce tradicional. El único tradicional que encontramos es el dulce de leche. Los demás son de marcas, ya saben. Ninguna marca patrocina este video porque pues vamos iniciando.
I'm sure all of them are so sweet, so easy to eat.
Yes, of course.
I'm so hungry. Okay. Fucking
Yeah. And this one is not spicy, it's more sweet. Same like this. This one is a little bit spicy. Okay, I'm gonna put like... Ok, pues aquí tenemos todo lo que encontramos, todo lo que compramos el día de la semana pasada. So what do you think about this? Which one do you think it will be sweet? It will be spicy?
This one. I want to eat just this one. That's all.
That's it. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh my God! Look at this. There's a fire.
Those are my favorites. Well, those are my favorites.
This looks like a lollipop. Lollipop should be sweet.
I don't know what is lollipop. I never tried lollipop.
Lollipop.
It's a Canadian? Or it's a Turkish?
No, it says lollipop.
Okay.
Lollipop.
Okay.
Probably my pronunciation is not.
I don't know what is lollipop in Spanish, so doesn't matter.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know. Which one is your favorite? Let's start your favorite.
Oof. My favorites are is the chips. Yeah.
Okay. Let's start.
We start the chips. Empezar con los Doritos Incógnita, que la verdad this flavor it's very debate because we don't know what is the flavor.
What?
It's spicy, but
like a
that's
pepper?
Yes, but I don't. I cannot give you something that it's like this, but it's a little bit spicy.
A little bit?
Yeah.
Okay.
Y pues por si aquí la turca se enchila, tenemos lo que es el jugo de Jumex. Tenemos uno de manzana y uno de guayaba. An apple, and I don't know what to say this one.
In Turkey, we don't have this one.
No, never.
No, it's a guava, something.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, we don't have.
Okay, so this one is for you.
Really? Guava, no.
So.
Oh, it is dark.
A little bit, yeah, but it tastes very good.
For you. By the way, I love spicy, but we will see.
Yo los adoro, me encantan.
It's not spicy.
No, it's not? Okay. No. So, what is the score about this one? Between 1 to 10? Do you like it?
It's sour. Yes. prefer the classic Doritos. Why you like this?
The classic Doritos aquí son nachos, Doritos nacho, pero no tienen el mismo sabor que allá en México que aquí en Canadá.
It's like I feel I'm eating lemon.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Part of lemon. You know, in Mexico we love lemon, so.
That's why.
Yeah. A lime.
It's okay. I like. Out of 10. For me, it's 7. Yeah.
No sabe lo que dice. 10. 10.
10?
Yeah. I opened that. Yeah, but it's okay.
Yeah. This one you can take it. Okay, next one.
What do you want to next?
No, more spicy.
No spicy.
Yes,
Okay.
challenge.
No spicy?
No,
Oh, more spicy. Okay, so we continue with the ni sé hablar español. Sabritas Flaming Hot.
Let me tell you.
This brand is like a Lay's.
Yes, why it is Sabritas?
Because in I think not just in Mexico, in every Latin America,
You
it's
said
Sabritas.
Oh,
Yeah.
You said Lay's.
But it's Lay's. It's the same company.
I understand the what is it? Yes. See.
So Flaming
also
Flaming Hot we have here in Canada, right? Have you ever tasted Flaming Hot?
No.
Here in Canada?
Mm-mm.
I think that the closer chips, it's Takis. Takis Fuego.
Mm-mm.
Never?
No.
Okay.
No comment.
Pues lo voy a abrir diferente porque si no al rato
No,
no los
I like
ponemos.
professional. Oh, this is red. Look at this.
I really love it. Not spicy. It is. What do you think?
Spicy. Yes, this is the spicy. This one is better than Doritos.
Yeah,
really?
No. Well, it's closer for me. I mean, I really love those Doritos. So.
This is hot.
It is. And you know, in Mexico, we put more salts, spicy salts in there.
Why? What is your problem?
Spicy seeds. No.
But these are snacks. Okay, with food, I like spicy. But this one is. What are you gonna?
I don't know. It's.
You're not burning?
It's a problem with the Mexicans, you know. You're burning?
I'm burning, but I would like to keep going. I don't know why.
Because they are very good. Very good. What is the score about this?
8.
You say 7, right?
7, yes. 6.5, then 7. This one is my size.
So how do you say guayaba in English? But
Spanish to English. I think guava. Guava. Yes.
Guava. Okay, I mean, in the time that I'm here in Canada, that it's almost 2 years, I never seen guava.
Guava.
Here. I think it's not very common.
Yeah, even in Turkey, we don't have.
Okay, hold on.
I never
hold on.
see. What should I do?
The pulp is here, so you have to mix.
Ooh.
Mix. Okay. Yo ya sé que saben, entonces.
Oh, this is good.
In Mexico, we have more different.
Is it common?
Yes, yeah. It's common. It's very common. You know, I think it's the most popular juice brand in Mexico. We have more difference. Yes. It's from. I don't know. No sé cómo se dice. Ni sé qué quiero decir.
Sí.
Pero bueno. And this one is for is apple.
Apple, yeah. This one is apple juice. Yes, we have apple. It's okay.
And here we have different.
Yeah, this one is really good.
Now, what do you want?
Can we eat this one like a?
Yep. Yeah. There have a lot of seeds.
It looks like a lemon, no?
No, not like a lemon. Well, the side maybe. The side is like a lemon.
But the taste is
different.
It's really good.
Now, what do you want? Spicy or not spicy?
Oh, let's do spicy.
Okay.
Yes. I want to eat these milky things. Last one, not the other one.
This one.
Yes, okay. Last one. I don't know why. I always eating first the spicy, hot, sour things, and sweet things. Last one.
Yeah, because they can calm down the burn.
Let's do sweet last one. Okay. Okay, still. Okay.
What do you want? Those. Muy bien, ahora aquí tenemos lo que es el pelón pelo rico.
What is this?
It said that tamarind flavor. You know what is tamarind mean?
Let's see. Tamarind. Oh, tamarind. No.
Okay. I don't know how can explain the flavor for tamarind, but
we don't. I don't know. When I said right tamarind to translate, there is nothing to Turkish. Maybe I read right.
No, because hold on. Spanish to Turkish.
Okay, tamarind.
Hold on.
Oh, I don't know what is this. Yes, okay, something like yes. We said demir hindi, but I don't know what is this.
Me too. Okay, all of these things, all of these candies, all of these snacks are a little bit spicy, sweet, but at the end spicy.
Mm-hmm.
So let's try.
How?
Open the top.
Are you the difficult?
Perfect.
And
push the bottom. So hard. Creo que ya nos lo dieron echados a perder.
Okay, mine is enough, I think.
Yeah. That's it.
You like this?
I love it. You know, the tamarind, I think, I'm not sure, but it's come from Africa.
Yeah, I never. I don't think we're using.
Couple of candies they come from for tamarind. And we
interesting.
Eat like.
I'm not sure I like or don't like. It is not similar for me.
We use for candies, and also we made tamarind juice.
Oh.
Yeah. Agüita de tamarindo. Pero está bien complicado. Su madre. Oh, I didn't ask you. What is the score for the hummus?
Oh, this one is 10, of course.
And what about for the pelon?
Yeah, I don't understand this one. Yeah.
The purpose of this, you know, the name is.
Why it is so hard to eat these things? I don't have energy for this.
I think because it's
It weighs a lot?
Time, yeah.
Okay, no, I'm tired.
The name... Well...
Wallahi, I'm tired. It is 5 for me.
Okay, the name for pelon is that this one looks like a hair.
Okay, but it looks...
So
it doesn't look like a hair. And it is dangerous to eat.
Well, a little bit. So...
5, it's hard to eat. I give up.
No sabe lo que dice, gente.
Don't tell me bad words.
What else?
Let's do the red things. Yellow, yes. Yes. What is it? Spicy?
No.
This is your favorite. This one?
Yeah, I ate this one a lot when I was a child.
Really?
Yeah.
What is this?
The name is chamoy.
Chamoy. Chamoy.
Chamoy means...
Let me figure it out.
Liquid chamoy flavor hot liquid candy. Hot. I don't think it's hot. No. Take it. It's just...
Oh! Easy peasy.
Okay.
I haven't expected it.
And just push and eat. Watch out, just watch out because it's liquid. So if you push more, it's gonna splash something.
I don't believe this is your favorite.
What's my favorite when I was a child?
Why they make it like this?
Liquid?
No. The shape is... Look, why this so...
I don't know. Pero a la gente nos gusta, ¿verdad? A todos los mexicanos. Bueno, no sé a todos, pero sí, a la mayoría.
Wait, I will give my point. 2.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
2.
Chale,
2.
gente.
No.
Los turcos no saben de dulces.
I don't want to give one more chance. No, it's
Lucas.
You can take this one. This is
Gusano. 2.
Yeah, 2.
2. Okay.
Let's go.
This one is yours. It doesn't matter.
No,
Take
I
it.
don't want to take it.
Just throw.
No. Okay. I want to try this lollipop.
The lollipop. Okay. Yeah. Muy bien, ahora tenemos aquí lo que son las rocaletas. Sabemos que en México es un poquito cara la rocaleta y tenemos diferentes...
Easy to open.
Diferentes marcas hacen ya sus propias rocaletas, las lollipop. Pero bueno.
A few moments later.
Yeah.
Cheers.
It's... How can I explain the flavor? Chili, okay, chili. But if you come down for the layers, it's sweet, and also it's like a gum in the center.
I can't reach the... I can't reach.
What do you think? Do you like it? No?
Do you like it?
Yeah.
What is your point?
All of my points, it's like 8 or 10, 9 or 10. Yeah, between those.
Because this is your snack. That's why.
Next video, we're gonna try a Turkish candy.
All of them will be 10. You'll see.
No es cierto, mentirosa. Okay. What is the score?
But Un, dos, tres.
Tres. Okay.
Tres. Yes.
Okay. Like an Italian, okay?
Yes.
Um,
Oh, it is not in Spanish?
loli. Yeah.
Ah, okay.
No, but I mean, most of the numbers in Italians that are similar in Spanish.
Ah, okay.
Tres. Chale, gente. Al parecer los turcos no les gusta lo bueno.
Give me something. Well, it's like a snake.
Okay, the next one we have escuincles. And la neta no sé por qué.
It's a gusano.
Gusano. Yeah, kind. Yeah. Estos son muy ricos, los favoritos de mi novia también. Y pues vamos a ver si aquí a la turca les gustan estas cosas.
What is this in? Nothing? Holy moly.
It's like this. If you want, you can put like this.
If you want, you can put like this. I don't want. This point was a two.
Two.
Two. Yeah, no, thank you. Okay. Watermelon.
Yeah, watermelon.
This is okay.
Yeah.
6.
No.
I'm a picky person. I know you're cruel to me, like a poeta.
No, but close. You say 6.
It's 6.
Okay.
Oh, this is the 10 for you?
Yes. Well, 9, and it's good. These ones are the favorite for my girlfriend.
Oh.
Yeah, this one is. Yeah, when she comes, I'm gonna buy something for her.
Keep it for her.
What else? What do you want?
I don't know what we have. Let's put
Okay,
everything.
I'm gonna put
We
everything. The last ones.
No, not less. Okay. I want to eat this one last. Really.
Okay.
I think I love this one. I feel it. So it will be less. Let's do this one.
Okay, this one.
Pulparindo.
Pulparindo. No es el clásico, es picante. El clásico solamente ya saben que pues es. Ya empezó a comérselo. Es tamarindo. This one is like tamarind.
Yeah, tamarind.
Yeah.
Yes, I see.
This one is not the classic. The classic is colored yellow, and it's just tamarind.
We couldn't find. I think that one.
Yeah, we couldn't find it. So it's tamarind
spicy.
with the spicy. Yeah.
But it's not spicy.
No? What do you think that it is?
Oh, it's coming. Yes. Yes, now it's coming.
En lo personal prefiero el clásico, el tamarindo clásico.
I like the spicy.
But everything comes with but. Cuatro.
It's just the spicy. There is no. I can't feel the taste.
The tamarind, yeah.
Yeah.
You say?
Cuatro.
Cuatro.
Let me see what I have. I need to give 1. No. Respect. No,
Yes.
I won't do this. But 2 is. Oh my God. Shame on you, sir. Shame on me.
No sabe lo que hace.
Yeah, sorry.
No sabe lo que hace. Ok.
Lo siento. Yes. Lo siento, but.
No worries.
These are the same? Just the color?
Just the color, yeah.
Okay.
Pecositas.
Pecositas.
This one is sweet.
Okay.
Okay.
What about this one? It says, okay, Japanese.
Okay, we're gonna start with
You
that.
bring me something, it says Japanese. We are doing Mexican snacks.
Yes, yes. What do they say here?
Mexico.
Okay.
What is that?
So the history for this one is that no me la sé completa. Okay, one person start to do the peanuts in Mexico, but they sell the idea that it's from Japan.
Oh, okay.
I think it's just that.
Or you are made something else, huh?
No. Tan complicados la
I don't know, so he can just say, this is the art history, this is this art history. Okay. I think this is good.
It is.
Is it spicy?
No. No, I don't like you. It's fine.
This will be good with Corona.
Valentina.
Corona.
You know what Valentina means?
What?
It's spicy sauce.
Oh.
Everything with spicy, right, Mexicans?
No, this one will be good with beer.
Yeah, you're right.
Yes. This is 10.
This is what?
10.
10? Oh!
Yeah.
Oh!
Yay!
210. Okay.
Yes.
That's good.
30. This is 40. It's good.
Cacahuates. Cacahuates.
Cacahuate.
Yeah.
In Japanese.
Mexican.
Mexican.
So.
Let's keep this one here. Yeah.
We're almost done. What do you want?
No, let's open one. This one.
This one is open already. Okay, take it.
Have one good.
No, take you. I'm gonna take
Like
this.
this?
Yeah, because it's.
This is sugar, I think.
Pecositas, ya saben cómo se comen. It was a long time that I don't eat this. What do you think?
Oh, it's okay.
It's okay.
That's okay. Not so good, but not bad. Of course, I think it's like a 7. Yeah. So.
Pecositas. Like a 7. Okay. I accept the point of this.
7 for you?
Yeah. You know,
That's fair.
most of these candies are from my
Childhood.
Yeah. Childhood.
Memories, maybe.
Memories, yeah. Aquí los dos hemos estudiado el inglés, entonces nuestro inglés no es muy bueno. You understand that one, right?
Of course.
That or English is.
My great grandfather was a special.
What am I gonna say? Or English is not good, right?
Your English?
Yeah, both. You know what I mean. You know what I mean.
Yes.
So it's difficult to explain, to communicate the ideas.
That's why I have translated.
So we continue with the last one before the last one.
Yes. Crema de leche.
Another tamarind candy.
Yeah.
Okay. I told you, we use the tamarind. We use
more. The problem is we are not using
more
this
of the.
It's weird for me.
Or more of the candies.
I don't know. Maybe just my mom doesn't use. Even the all color is the same. This is not orange. It should be orange. This should be
yellow.
Lemon. Green should be Shrek. Shrek food. Oh! But I will tell something and you will agree with me. I'm eating detergent.
What is that?
Detergent.
Detergent?
Detergent. Let me see.
¿Detergente?
Detergente.
Raza, esto sabe a detergente, ¿ok?
Next time when you eat this one, please. Is it like a fairy?
No, it's not.
Why I feel like a fairy? I'm eating the fairy.
I don't know. Maybe we have a lot of different flavors in the mouth.
Yeah, maybe.
Because it's supposed that this is supposed that the flavor is kind of similar of this. More sweet than this.
But this one is better. Even if it's a detergente, it's for me it is 6. What about you?
I'm gonna put 8.
Okay.
Yeah.
Take it.
And we finish with the last one. Este es crema de leche. Se supone que es dulce de leche, crema de leche.
It should be good.
Supongo que la gente no puede decir dulce. Could you say dulce?
No.
Say.
Dulce.
Dulce.
Dulce. Dulce.
Better.
Dulce.
Okay. I don't know why in Canada and USA they cannot pronounce dulce. Dulce de leche.
It is like we said helva.
Yeah, very good.
It's milk, yeah?
It is. Basil milk, yeah. For traditional candy, I think this one, they are my best. Yeah. Everything based on the dulce de leche, it's my favorite. Very good. What do you think? Those, I think, because it's very maybe the time on the store there are a long time, yeah. Maybe it's different flavor. Not too much, but it's good. I mean,
nice. I was expecting more tasty.
La bayamesa. No sé de dónde sea la bayamesa. No sé de dónde lo traigan. Okay, they say that processed eggs, soybeans, heat, and 3 nuts. Oh, milk also, yeah.
Nice.
Nordbergen. Where's Nordbergen?
What?
The place. Produced by the last one.
Nordbergen. I don't know.
Okay, son de Nordberger. Nordberga.
9.
9.
No, I was
Okay.
expecting like 11, 12, but no. No, sorry.
Okay. Oh. Okay, and that's it. So the winners are the cacahuates and humex, the drink. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Could you give me your horrible feedback?
Horrible?
Yeah. I mean, look at this. In your mind, I think it's horrible. In my mind, it's the best. All of these candies are the best.
I love spicy, for sure. I love spicy, but I didn't feel the spicy the snacks. I don't know why. Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry, but
In
it's
general,
a little bit
what do you think?
average. Average, it's like, let's say 7.
Yes, like a C.
7.
Okay.
Yeah, 7.
7 to 10.
No.
Ok, raza, ya lo saben, si van a invitar a algún turco o alguna turca a comer dulces típicos o a comer algo mexicano, tengan en cuenta de que pues no les gusta mucho nuestro sabor, ¿vale?
No jures to me, please.
No llores.
Yes, no jures. You can say a little bit, okay?
Okay.
Not too much, please.
No, I'm just saying that if Mexican people, they want to invite a Turkish person, a Turkish people, to a date or to somewhere or to try something for Mexico, they can keep in mind this one because
yes,
you know.
Yes. Well, and next time, the other maybe video, we can try the food. I think I love Mexican food. I think.
Okay, but the next time we're gonna try
Turkish
snacks.
Turkish. But I will find for you a weird one. Because all of them is so good. So good.
Oigan,
so I will try to
esa
find
mamada.
Weird something bad.
Pues bueno, gente, pues hasta aquí el video de hoy. Ya se terminó. Comenten qué es lo que les gustó, cuánto le ponen ustedes a los dulces, ¿vale? If someone in English speakers, they can found this video, also share with us on the comments that what do you think about the Mexican snacks?
Yes.
Everything here in Canada, we bought in El Barrilito. ¿Barrilito?
No, I'm sure it's
La bodeguita. La bodeguita.
Yes. Yeah, I knew it. You just make
So I'm just gonna. Ya saben, no nos pagaron, pero pues hay que agradecerles. Es una buena tienda mexicana para que vayan si son de por aquí. Y pues nada, hasta el próximo video.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Adiós.
Adiós.